Have you ever looked at successful people and wondered how they got there? It can feel like the game of money is rigged in favor of those with elite degrees, family connections, or just a ton of luck. But what if that isn't the whole story? What if there's a way to build wealth even if you're starting from scratch? Today, we're going to dive into 10 rules that anyone can follow to begin building wealth from nothing. These are insights that flip my perspective on money, and I think they'll do the same for you. You don't have to be a genius to get rich. One of the biggest myths about wealth is that only the smartest people get rich. Growing up, many of us believed that financial success was reserved for people with high IQs, fancy degrees, or Ivy League connections. But here's a surprising truth. Some of the wealthiest people out there aren't exceptionally brilliant. They simply understand the rules of the game. Smart people often overthink, which means they see all the risks and sometimes miss out on opportunities. Meanwhile, those who keep things simple and take action end up winning more often than you'd think. It's not about having a sky-high IQ. It's about taking action, embracing opportunities, and being willing to make mistakes and learn along the way. Hard work, patience, and common sense are more important than you think. If you want to build wealth, remember 3 words. Work hard, be patient, and use common sense. These qualities are often more valuable than raw intelligence. Real success takes time, and common sense will keep you grounded, helping you make the right choices when things get tough. Everyone who's reached the top was once a beginner. They didn't know everything when they started, but they were willing to learn. Over time, their hard work and persistence paid off. Sticking with it when things get hard is often the key to success. Saving money alone won't make you rich, but it will help you take risks. Let's clear something up. Saving money won't make you wealthy on its own. However, having savings gives you a crucial advantage. It provides security, which allows you to take bigger, calculated risks. Think of savings as a safety net. Once you've built up enough to cover your basic needs, you'll feel more confident taking steps toward building wealth. Savings won't make you a billionaire, but they give you the peace of mind to focus on opportunities that can. Once you've saved enough to feel secure, you can start looking for ways to grow your money, whether through investments, starting a business, or other income-generating ventures. Real wealth comes after a long period of no results. One of the hardest things about building wealth is the patience required. The reality is that you'll often put in a lot of work before you see any payoff. Many people work tirelessly for years, only to hear others say they got lucky when things finally click. It's all about putting in consistent effort and building skills, even when it feels like nothing is happening. Most people quit before they ever see the fruits of their labor, but those who stick with it, accumulating knowledge and skills, often end up seeing exponential growth all at once. The rewards come after a long period of hard work, patience, and resilience. Don't just chase money. Let money start chasing you. In the early stages, it's natural to focus on chasing money. But as you develop skills and build a reputation, things begin to shift. At some point, if you're excellent at what you do, money starts chasing you. People will want to work with you, invest in you, and trust you with their projects or businesses. Excellence attracts wealth. When you become the best in your field, opportunities start coming your way. Instead of focusing on money alone, aim to become exceptional at something. Once you reach that level, money will come naturally. Learn to take risks wisely. Building wealth often means stepping out of your comfort zone and taking risks. This doesn't mean gambling everything you have, but rather making calculated, thoughtful decisions that move you toward your goals. When you learn to take risks strategically, you open doors to new opportunities. Many successful people started with a leap of faith. They didn't know everything, but took a chance because they believed in the potential reward. Calculated risk-taking is one of the most effective ways to get ahead, especially if you're starting with nothing. Invest in skills that compound over time. If you want to make money, invest in skills. Skills are like seeds. They compound over time, growing stronger and more valuable. The beauty of skills is that no one can take them from you, and they often become more powerful the longer you develop them. Rather than just aiming for one skill, aim to build a mix of valuable skills that complement each other. Over time, these skills will increase your earning potential and make you adaptable to different opportunities. Your wealth is ultimately tied to what you know and how you apply it. Rule number 8, delayed gratification is key to building wealth. One of the main reasons people don't build wealth is a lack of patience. They want to see results immediately and lose motivation when they don't. But wealth building requires delayed gratification. It's about putting in work now and knowing the payoff may come much later. If you're willing to hold out, work hard, and wait, you'll be rewarded. People who can delay gratification tend to build bigger and more sustainable wealth because they are not in a rush to see immediate results. This patience allows them to make better decisions and take advantage of opportunities others may overlook. Use money to create freedom, not just to buy things. The real purpose of money isn't to buy expensive things, but to create freedom. Financial freedom allows you to focus on what truly matters, whether that's spending time with loved ones, pursuing a passion, or helping others. When you approach money as a tool for freedom, your goals start to shift. Instead of accumulating things, you'll look for ways to buy back your time and energy. This shift in mindset can make a huge difference in how you approach building wealth. Stay hungry, stay humble. The journey to wealth isn't a straight line. It's full of ups and downs, unexpected wins, and inevitable setbacks. The key is to stay hungry and keep learning. The most successful people are lifelong learners. They stay open-minded and don't let their past successes make them complacent. At the same time, stay humble. Remember where you started and the effort it took to get where you are. Humility keeps you grounded and focused on continuous growth, which is essential if you want to keep building wealth over time. So there you have it. 10 rules for building wealth, even if you're starting from nothing. Wealth building isn't reserved for the smartest or luckiest people. It's for those willing to learn, take risks, and stay patient. Start with these principles and you'll be surprised at where they can take you. Thank you for watching, and remember, the journey to wealth begins with a single step.